I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer. Ensure your device has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Note your current iOS version, like iOS 17. One before making changes. Free at least 5 GB of storage to allow system updates and caches. Turn off Find My iPhone in Settings if you plan a full restore. Write down important app passwords or use a password manager for safety. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 5 Mbps download speed. Try a force restart to clear transient system errors before deeper steps. On iPhone 8 and later press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button. Update apps and iOS over Wi-Fi to fix common system bugs and crashes. If an app misbehaves, offload it from settings, then reinstall. Reset network settings to resolve Wi-Fi and cellular issues without deleting media. Close background apps and reboot to restore responsiveness. If problems persist, move to recovery or DFU mode on a computer. Connect your iPhone to a computer with the latest Finder or iTunes installed. Put the device into recovery mode and choose Update first to preserve data when possible. If Update fails, switch to Restore, which reinstalls iOS and may erase data. For deeper issues, enter DFU mode and perform a full restore with an official IPSWA file. Remember, DFU restore erases all data, so restore only from a confirmed backup afterwards. After restoring, sign in with your Apple ID and re-enable Find My iPhone. Verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.